At TUMO, creators are invited to lead labs that merge art, technology, and cultural storytelling.
The workshop that I'm leading at TUMO is about recipe comics, comic book cookbooks, specifically of Armenian recipes and the differences between Eastern and Western Armenian food. As I was sort of starting to draw comics about food in general, I realized that comics work especially well for instructions, for very step-by-step clear instructions. And as a visual learner myself, I was just very interested in drawing recipes in a comic book format.
Collaboration is built into our pedagogy. Students learn to co-create, negotiate ideas, and produce together, skills essential in our modern world.
Մենք ընդհանրապես մեծամասամբ թիմերով էինք աշխատում ու թիմով աշխատելը շատ հավես է։ Ամեն մեկը իրար հետ որոշում եք, թե ինչ պետք է անեք, երևի թիմով աշխատել եմ սովորել։
At TUMO, students learn to investigate the world through creative inquiry, connecting what they make to the contextual knowledge behind it.
Դե արմատահայկական ու արևելահայկական ուտեստների մասին մի քիչ բաներ իմացա, շատ ինֆորմացիա ստացա, տոլմա, տարբերությունները իմացա։
Մենք առանձին նաև մեր ուտեստների պատմությունն ենք ներառել դրա մեջ, այսինքն մենք գրել ենք թե որտեղից, թե ինչ նմանություն ունի տարբեր ուտեստների հետ համեմատել ենք։
Learning labs emphasize research as part of the creative process, turning artistic production into a pathway for discovery. TUMO's model is intentionally adaptive. Mentors recalibrate to the speed, curiosity, and capacity of students as they rapidly gain mastery.
Comics take a long time to draw, and so I was very concerned that we wouldn't be able to accomplish much in only 2 weeks. But the students have been so smart and so bright, and they're picking everything up so quickly that after the first day, they had already outpaced my plan, and I had to adjust to catch up to them.
Ultimately, learning labs thrive because students bring their own energy, imagination, and autonomy, transforming heritage into something living and newly theirs.
They're enthusiastic, they're rambunctious, but they're excited to work on this material, and they've become just as passionate about it as I have.